Kanye! Kanye! You bitch ass! I wanna talk to you. I said, Kanye! Bitch ass Kanye! Nigga, I wanna talk to you. Don't come back to Jamaica. Kanye West, don't come back to Jamaica. What do you know about our Tubby Tub? What do you know about Tubman? Eh? She freed the slave. She was the most wanted public enemy number one. What do you know about that? Who you ever free? Hey boy, hey Kanye! Kanye West, I'm upset. You come to Jamaica and trick the Christian them. Hey boy, look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Me have a thumb in your face. You're bright and feisty. Hey boy, you waste your talent, you know. You need to get the talent and give it to one of them young people and then one of them young black people who want to make it in their life, who really need the talent, you know. Hey boy, you waste your talent in a foreign. Hey boy, Kanye. Rich idiot. Talented little monkey. Hey boy.